Okay. Especially you lot on the back. Okay, just start facing us afterwards.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen. So, my name is Craig Bellis. I'm the CEO of Crane Software. So I'll start off with a thank you. First of all, thanks to you all for coming today to our humble abode, which is the office of Crane Software and Forest Technologies. Andy, can you come up a second, mate? I also want to start off with a big thank you to our superstar, super project organizer, Miss Kirsty Bell. Kirsty, can you give everyone a wave? Can you all just clap your hands? Thank you very much. So Crane Software is a DevOps platform based on Docker. Today we had an investor meeting, myself and Andy. And at the end of the meeting, when we sat there together, come here, Andy, a bit closer. The investor looked up and said, "Where did you two meet? In prison?" Now, I don't know why you think that, but I'm blaming Andy for that. And then when the first person arrived today, he said, "You security." So I think we're not getting off to a very good start. But as a CEO, what I do know about today is that all the smart guys in the room today are the Devops guys sat this side. I'm keeping it very short. All I want you guys to be aware of, we have a beta right now, which is free. We'd love to get your input. Really love to get your input. So if you sign up for the beta and give us some feedback. Matt, can you come up, mate? So Matt has given up his day job in a boy band, very graciously today, to model one of these. Our job, from a Crane perspective, is to help you get Docker into production. Right? We want to bring Docker to work and be able to use it. So Matt is modeling one of our Docker to production t-shirts, which we're happy to give you all one if you sign up for the beta. So it's a bit of bribery, but I'm going to apologise for that. We just love to get feedback on the beta. So with that, I'm going to hand over to Matt and enjoy your DevOps job in day to day. Thank you.
Okay. Right, hello. Thanks everyone for coming. Who's been to London DevOps before? Put your hand up. Okay, so that's about half and half. Half newbies, half not, that's good. So this is our meetup page. I'm sure you've all seen this. This is where we start. Everyone's signed up there. We've got 1,200 members now, which is phenomenal. It's amazing. Really cool. Tweet us, send some tweets while you're here tonight. We didn't get any last week. Last time we did this because we forgot to say send some tweets. So send some tweets to that hashtag. Tell everyone how great the meetup is. Because it's already oversubscribed and last time we wanted more members. Tell everyone how great Crane are. I love this building, this is brilliant, so thank you so much to Crane for hosting us. But yes, send lots of tweets. Right, code of conduct. It's industry events, everyone's here in professional capacity, behave yourselves, talk professionally to people, be nice. So this is us. There's an interloper in here. I'm really sorry, but we have to put the recruiter on. So he's on the organiser slide. In all seriousness, Jack, where are you, Jack? Is that right? Come to the front. Jack's done a whole load of really excellent work for us in securing venues, securing food and drink and all sorts of entertainment type stuff. It was him in combination with Kirsty who got us in this venue now. So I'm there. There's my nice picture. I still got the beard. Sorry to anyone who doesn't like it. It's tough to stay from now. Mark here is. Do you want me to hurry up? Mark there is a cheeky person. Maria at the back is video, and Jack has already mentioned. Right, a couple more questions from our sponsors. Mark works for Guru. There's still some invites left for Guru. I've got Guru. It's basically collects all your different data sources like your Dropbox and Google and all those sort of things into one. And it's really quite cool. So sign up quick. There's only a few invites left. I work for Contino, DevOps Consultancy. There's some other people who run DevOps Consultancies in the room, so I won't say too much about that. Mine's best. We do continuous integration, DevOps, generally in enterprise, DevOps into enterprises without losing too much hair. As you can see, that's already a bit of a lost cause in my case. So if you want to work with me, put up my jokes, then go to the website and send us a message, because we're always looking for good jobs, permanent and contract. So the meetup is very generously supported by these guys. It's £1 bar for us, another general support and help. But as I said about Jack earlier, Jack is just one of quite a lot of people at Prison Digital who, and beyond, who help us out with organisational things, and music wouldn't be what it is without them. So to say a few words about Beyond and Prison Digital, please Stacey.
Thank you. Hi everyone, thanks for coming. As you may hopefully know, we're the recruitment arm of Younger and Beyond. So Younger and Beyond is an incubator for startups. So we've luckily got our CEO Shashi here today, back. Stand up, Shashi. Hello. Yeah, Shashi is our CEO. He's actually an angel investor in Younger and Beyond. We've just listed Younger and Beyond on the Australian stock market for 5 million. So we're really excited about that, as well as working with Younger and Beyond. He's actually really quite known in the digital and tech space. He's the ex-CEO of Saffron Digital. And he was also on the board of directors over at HTC before he took Younger and Beyond under his wing. So really pleased to have him here today. He's definitely the man to speak to if you want to learn about startups. He's got a startup idea. He's got loads of cash and he's ready to invest. So he was actually talking about making a deal a day on the way in. So if you want to talk about tech or startups or potentially anything, definitely the man to go to. He won't be here. 30 seconds. He won't be here for long. He's just actually come back from Dubai. He's here today because he's lost his passport and he can't go back. So catch him while you can. Again, thank you for coming, and a big massive thanks to Kirsty and the team at Forest Technologies for giving us a venue today.
Thanks, Stacey. Okay, so other things going on in the community. Chorus meetup on the 10th. London continues delivery. Matthew Skelton's meetup on the 19th. I think that might be directly after the Pipeline Conference. So yeah, both great meetups. Ansible London up at hotels.com offices on the 20th of March. Go there if you're interested in Ansible, and also if you like brilliant views over London. But mainly for the Ansible, of course. Conferences, yeah, Pipeline Conference is on that day, so that's Matthew Skelton's conference, SL, on the 19th of March down in Victoria. Great conference. I think there's still tickets left, I could be wrong. They're just about their speakers, and it's one of those ones where you're like, oh, why does all this happen on the same day in different tracks type conferences? And the Scale Summit is on the 27th of March, run by Mr. John Topic. I think he's with us tonight. Did you want to say a couple of words, John?
If I could take the opportunity to say that I'm also one of these people that runs a Devops consultancy and we're hiring. I'll teach how to dress better as well. The Scale Summit is an event that we run now. This is our second year. It's happening on the 27th of March. There are about 10 or 15 or so tickets left. There's a link on the Scale Summit Twitter feed if you'd like to come along. We run this for the community. It's a not-for-profit conference. It's sort of spiritual success at the Scale Camp if you were ever at one of those events. And we'd love to see you there.
Yeah, okay, your moustache is better. All right, there's cookies. So this is my wife and my two kids. My wife's got flu. The little one, this one, Jazzy, she's got a horrible cold. So she's looking after them while I'm living it up, just doing this. So if you have the cookies, they're at the back. Tweet out and say how awesome they are. That will make her feel slightly better. I mean, she might actually talk to me when I get into my job.
Was she infectious when they were baked?
I'm trying to take it half of London Devops community is now revealed. So the talks, there was something else I was going to say, I can't remember what it was. Just a bit of feedback, if you don't mind. We changed the RSVP status, so you can't bring RSVPs. Now, I'm going to work this question quite carefully. Put your hand up if you RSVP to the meeting and you alone came. So keep your hand down if you RSVP and you brought 2 or 3 people with you. Right, okay. We're just trying to get us to 200. So, anyway. Right, so on to the talks. Two great talks from Alois and Gareth. Gareth in particular has come an awfully long way. Brought off from the public office to talk tonight. Alois is here for QCon. Anybody been at QCon today? Yay, somebody has been at QCon today. I'm really jealous, it looks really awesome. Alois has also been at QCon, but he's been running the booth and he's quite pissed off that he hasn't been able to see any of the tracks. So where is he? Oh, there. This is the last minute stage, right. So yeah, Alois is going to talk about the dark art building and alerting system, and then Gareth on the end of the general purpose operating system. I think that's the last slide. This is, tell us what you think. Cookies, hashtag London Devops, or hash London Devops, if you know what I'm using the word hashtag. Tell us what you think. We kind of make it up as we go along. People seem to come onto these events and like them, but if there's something we're doing wrong, something we're doing all right, then let us know by any of those means. Right, that's it. We'll just do a quick changeover. Anyone want to quickly grab a beer or something? Please feel free. Oh, pizza's coming about 7:30, so hopefully we'll get all the talks over before then, given how much our roads are all looking up.